Chapter 17. The Torment of Sita. Sita had observed as the Demon King proudly showed off his kingdom. She listened in disdain as Ravana declared his love for her and brazenly proposed marriage. "I am a married woman, King of Lanka, and my heart belongs to Ram alone. He is a warrior of unmatched strength, kind, compassionate, yet as fearless as a lion. My devotion is his alone. The gap between you and the Prince of Ayodhya is as vast as that between a stream and an ocean, iron and gold, a crow and an eagle. You, a mere jackal, dare to claim a lioness? Winning my affection is as impossible as grasping sunlight, or lifting a mountain with bare hands. You chase your own destruction, like a fool walking into fire." Ravana was greatly insulted by Sita's words. His fury boiled over as he raised his fist. But then he hesitated. There was a time when Ravana would have taken any woman he desired by force. But his past sinful actions had incurred curses upon him from both Lord Brahma and his own nephew, Nalakover. Now, if he forced himself on any woman against her will, his head would shatter into 100 pieces. Sita was unaware of this divine protection, but Ravana had other means to coerce his prey. First, he tried to tempt her. He showed Sita all the wonders of his kingdom that would be hers if she accepted him. "You will be my chief queen above all others. Any jewels, luxuries, or pleasures you desire will be yours. Maidens will serve you night and day. Lanka will bow before you." But Sita was unmoved by Ravana's seductions. She remained steadfast in her commitment to Dharma. Seeing his enticements fail, Ravana turned to malevolence. He cast Sita into a secluded grove, guarded by fearsome Rakshasis, demonesses who tormented her relentlessly. By day they threatened to devour her. By night they whispered of the comfort and safety she could have, if only she accepted Ravana. Yet, though weary and despairing, the princess of Mithila did not yield. She sat beneath the great Asoka tree, her thoughts consumed by Ram. With each passing day, her hope waned. How could her beloved ever find her across the vast ocean? But far away in the forest, Ram and Lakshmana stumbled upon something that would bring them one step closer to finding her.
Thank you for watching so far. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, please hit the like button. If you're new here, please subscribe. This will ensure that more people can find this resource. Click the notification button so that you can be the first to know about new uploads. And please do comment below. I'll do my best to reply to any questions. Thank you.